We're going to be cleaning some common Dexter and Alliance coin drops. I highly recommend removing them from the machine before cleaning them, or at least powering the machine off first so you don't short anything out with your wire brush. All you need is a wire brush, screwdriver, and compressed air. On a Dexter coin drop, it's very simple. All you do is pull this piece off the top, pull the track out like so, take your wire brush and you want to aggressively scrub it anywhere the quarter rubs. Along this track here, basically across this entire surface. Just get in there, rub out anything, make sure you can't see anything stuck to the track. Do the same on this piece, all along these edges here. If you have to, get another brush down inside it, get any debris out of there. Once you're done with that, blow both pieces out very well with your compressed air and reassemble. While you have your coin drop out of the machine, it's a good time to check these screws here on the Dexters, make sure they're not loose, causing the back of your coin drop to wobble around. And that's pretty much it for the Dexters. On the Alliance coin drops, very similar. Slide this piece off the top. It gets a little crowded in here getting the track out, but same as the Dexter. You want to scrub all along here where the quarter passes through, and all along this track here, as well as doing a good job on this piece and this piece. Once you have all that scrubbed out and blown clean with the compressed air, put your track back in, slide the piece back across the top to lock it in place, and you should be good to go. Same as the Dexters, while you have this out of your machine, now is a good time to make sure that the nut here and here are tight so that the coin drop doesn't wobble on the front plate. Pretty much same coin drop here from Alliance, only it doesn't have the MD2 accumulator board. Exact same method to clean it. Pull the slide off the top, separate the track, scrub in here, scrub in here, scrub in there, scrub all over here, and then blow it out with air. If you have any that are especially filthy and it's not cleaning well with just the brush, you can scrape any hard chunks out with a screwdriver, or if you need to, you can literally soak the entire piece in degreaser and scrub it really well. But if you do that, make sure you blow it out very well. You do not want it at all wet when you put it back in the machine. If you reassemble these and put them back in the machine wet with either cleaner or any sort of oil on them, all it's going to do is accumulate dirt and dust and plug up that much faster on you. You really want to put them back in as dry as possible.